Atos enables life sciences companies to improve patients' lives by accelerating the development of new drugs. We offer a comprehensive set of services for clinical trials, including a cloud platform with advanced data management and analytics, an IoT-enabled mobile app for clinicians, patients, and sponsors, integrated deployment services to ensure medical kits reach patients, a digital enablement platform for track and trace, integration with wearables and medical devices, a 24/7 multilingual help desk, integration with personal mobility services like ride-hailing and ambulance services, integration with customer enterprise systems, and support for video conferencing. The entire solution is regulatory compliant and protected by robust cybersecurity. Let's explore how our solution can deliver results. RxCo is a pharma sponsor based in Basel, Switzerland that is conducting a Phase 3 clinical trial for a new COVID-19 drug. Luis is a COVID patient who is self-isolated in Madrid, Spain, and taking part in the trial. Luis needs to take the medicines assigned to him, and RxCo must provide all medicines and devices, also known as the kit. The kit contains the trial drug, digital thermometer, pulse oximeter, a mobile phone and app, and instructions in Spanish. Our integrated deployment services provide a bridge between pharma companies, clinical research organizations, clinicians, and patients. Here's how we work with pharma companies to build the kits and make sure they reach end users. Items are delivered from sponsors and suppliers to an Atos warehouse. Our teams prepare the kits and ship them around the globe, and we confirm that the kits have been delivered, working with the customer through a digital collaboration platform. Once Luis has received the kit, he can call the Atos help desk for support in his native language. The Atos app provides notifications when it is time for Luis to take the medicine, record his temperature, and check his oxygen levels. The app connects via NFC to the digital thermometer and pulse oximeter, then transmits the data to our IoT platform in real time. The Atos IoT platform helps the clinical research team manage clinical data and provides robust analytics and dashboards. If Luis's temperature is outside the normal range, the app immediately sends a notification to his doctor. Our telemedicine module enables Luis to set up a virtual meeting with his doctor using Ring Central. If Luis needs treatment at a hospital, the Atos help desk can arrange for an ambulance to come to Luis's home. A notification is automatically sent to the hospital, and an electronic medical record is created. Our solution helps sponsors remain engaged with clinical trial participants throughout the process to reduce the chance of dropout. At Atos, we are proud to support life sciences companies in their mission to improve the health and quality of life in communities across the globe. To learn more about Atos Life Sciences offerings, visit us online at www.atos.net.